Hello, everybody. Today, we're gonna talk about the most effective and practical way you can use to prevent your water pipe to be damaged or get freezed during this crazy snowstorm. So most of the time, people they experience some issues of the freezing and bursting of their pipes during the crazy snowstorm because the temperature gonna drop down. Most of the places in United States gonna drop under the 0 degree Fahrenheit. So some of the places gonna have like -20, -10. So make sure that your pipes are safe at your home. So here you're gonna see some of the tips you can use to prevent your water pipes to get freezed or burst. So the first one, make sure that your house or your area has constant heat going on. So turn your heat on constantly. The recommendation should be between 68 to 72. That would be nice for the pipes. So, and make sure that even if you left the room, don't turn off the heat. Keep the heat on. That's the first recommendation. The second recommendation, keep your faucet on. Turn on your faucet slow drip. Like you can try to turn on your faucet like slow drip, constantly drip, like very slow. This is too much, this is too much, this is too much. Like this is enough. This is enough. Like just you can see it's just slow drip, and leave it like that constantly for whole storm so that your pipes doesn't get freezed or burst. That's the second tip. The third tip, make sure that you open your cabin. If you have cabinet under the sink of your kitchen or your bathroom, make sure that you keep them open so that your pipes can get warm air circulating around the pipes and keep them not getting freezing or burst. So that's the three major tips you can use. The first one, make your room warm and keep the heat constant. Second one, your faucet should have like constant drip water. This is cold water, should be cold water drip. And the third one, leave your cabin open so that the pipes can have the circulation of warm air. That's it. Be safe out there and stay warm.